Our technicians at Quick Car of Denton are trained to service today's complex brake systems. They can inspect your vehicle's braking system to ensure that it's functioning properly, or diagnose a problem and offer suggestions and an estimate for repair. From brake pad replacement, maintaining rotors, replacing wheel cylinders, to addressing anti-lock brake system issues, we provide full repair service for all your vehicle's brake components. Additionally, we can perform routine maintenance as suggested by your vehicle's manufacturer. Most often, this is a brake system flush, which involves the removal of air and moisture from brake lines and the replacement of brake fluid. Whatever your vehicle's brake system needs, Quick Car can perform the service to help ensure its proper working condition. Trust us for your vehicle's brake service maintenance and repairs. Quick Car recommends a brake service anytime these symptoms occur, and a brake flush every 24 months.